So let's solve this problem. So we have this given, let x equals this radical and y equals this radical. Then what is the value for x plus y? And x and y must be greater than 0. So from this given, if we square both sides, then we can cancel this radical. So this becomes x squared plus 30 plus this radical. Then to simplify, so we have x squared plus 30, then plus, since this radical is equal to x, so this is plus x, then equate to 0. So transpose this positive x, that becomes negative x, and this positive 30, that becomes negative 30, then equal 0. Then this quadratic equation, we can solve for x using the quadratic factoring. So for the factors of x squared, this one is x times x. And the factors of negative 30, that's 6 times 5. Since this one is negative, so one of these number must be negative. Then since the middle term is negative, so therefore, the bigger number of the factor must be negative. So this is negative 6 and positive 5. Then since x and y greater than 0, so we just need to take this factor. So x minus 6 equals 0. And to solve for x, transpose this negative 6 to the other side. So x equals positive 6. Then to solve for y from this equation, so if we square both sides, then we can cancel this radical. So this becomes y squared equals 42 minus this radical. Then to simplify, so we have y squared equals 42, then minus. Since this radical is equal to y, so we have minus y. Then equate this to 0. So this becomes y squared plus y minus 42, then equals 0. Then we can use now quadratic factoring to find the value for y. So factors for y squared, that's y times y. And factors for negative 42, this is 7 times 6. So since this one is negative, so one of the factor must be negative. And since the middle term is positive, so the bigger number must be positive. So this one is positive 7 and this is negative 6. Then to solve for y, since y is greater than 0, so just take this factor. So y minus 6 equals 0. Then to solve for y, so transpose this negative 6. So y equals positive 6. So since we have now the values for x and y, so we can find now the value for x plus y, and this is 6 plus 6. So x plus y is equal to positive 12.